Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Hybrid Feature-Based Prediction of Suicide-Related Activity on Twitter. So from the title of the paper we could have analyzed that this project deals with tweets posted by the user and predicting their emotions, whether it is related to a suicide related tweet or a normal tweet. So let us see the execution of the project. This is the home screen, welcome screen of the project with the project title Hybrid Feature Based Prediction of Suicide Related Activity on the Twitter. And go to the login, which has a static username and password with admin and admin. Click login, and here you can see the abstract that is mentioned in the base paper. Click next. Here you can upload the data set. So before uploading the dataset, I'll show you the dataset. So this is the dataset which has the ID, the tweet posted, and the intention of it. So I will upload this dataset right now. And click upload. And here you can preview the dataset that we have uploaded with the features of it, and you can scroll down till the end of the page and you can see the tweets, which is around 3,323, and then click to train and test. Now the training is finished and click OK. Now you can make the prediction of the tweets. So let us see both the cases, that is the normal case and the suicide related case. So I will show you the test case. So let me show a normal case and click predict. Here you can see the class that is normal tweet, and this is another normal tweet that I'll show you, and here you can see the class that is a normal tweet. Next we will check with the suicide related tweet. And click predict. Here you can see the class that is suicidal identification. So this class has the suicidal intention. So I have shown you a few test cases. You can check with some other cases also, and the last part is the analysis part. Here we have shown a static graph with the data set that is occurred. and you can see the age and the suicide intention of it. And this is the future work and the conclusion that is mentioned in the base paper. This is all about the project hybrid feature based prediction of suicide related activity on the Twitter, and thank you for watching.